Hey bike farmers, thanks for clicking in. Today I am going for a 112 kilometer Populaire with the San Francisco Randonneurs. A Populaire isn't a brevet. The brevets are the really long ride, also called audace cycling because it's an audacious thing. Populaires are more popular because they're shorter. They tend to be less than 200K. This one happens to come in at 112. It's about a 75-mile ride today, and we are starting in San Francisco on one end of the Golden Gate Bridge, and we're going to start by riding over the Golden Gate Bridge into Marin County and then up through Point Reyes and into the hills and the mountains. And I guess it's just beautiful. It is the middle of January and it is basically springtime here, so everything's turning green. There's gonna be 100 people at this ride. Looking forward to making a video, bringing you along. So I've got my bike. I brought my Rivendell all-arounder along. I'll go through, show you a little bit about what I'm bringing on the bike with me. I've got my breakfast here. We'll talk about that a little bit. And then I've got what I'm going to be wearing and how I prepare for a ride like this. So kick back, relax, and enjoy. So this is my frame bag. Bring along a couple of Cliff Bars. Got this really cool kit from ronsbikes.com. It's magnetic, so I have all the bits here. And then this says Chapman Manufacturing, Durham, Connecticut. But it's a ratchet. And then I've got a patch kit. And then I always bring along a tiny Leatherman squirt, because I find myself using the pliers the most when I'm needing to figure something out, and I like having a little pliers. You can do a lot with it. This kit also comes with this little like knurled nut thing that you can put these bits on to get a little more fine tuning. But that's my tool kit, and then that folds up. It's a nice waxed cotton. But I've also got this one in case I have a chain issue. This has a chain tool on it. This is the Crank Bros. This is also a really good multi-tool to bring along. I got an extra tube here. This is a TPU, thermoplastic urethane, I think is what they call it, or thermopolymer urethane. I'm addicted to these Fisherman Friends cough drops. They're just kind of really effervescent and, just, I don't know, they freshen up your mouth and make your sinuses better. This is a little bit of powdered aminos, some energy, in case I bonk. I don't know if it's really good. Oh, more patch kit. I threw another one in there. These are the batteries for my camera. Now I have a nice plump, tired bike here, so I have a big pump with me just in case. I don't have any CO2 because I traveled by airplane, and airplanes don't like CO2 cartridges, or TSA doesn't at least. And tire lever. I'll have my selfie stick / tripod that I'll throw in there, and I can get at all of this stuff just from on the bike. It's really nice. And there's usually enough room where I can throw my windbreaker, or if I buy anything along the way. And then I have a saddlebag here also for extra layers. The weather's I think we're gonna start out in the mid 50s and it could get the mid 60s, but sunny, windy, I just don't really know. Yesterday I was in shorts and shed a layer. I was down to a t-shirt at one point. I suspect that's what it'll be like for the second half of the ride. I think this morning's gonna be kind of chilly, so that's for extra layers. Always a good idea to bring a raincoat and that sort of thing when you don't really know how far you're gonna go or whatever, but it looks to be clear skies today, so I'm gonna take the risk. For me, as far as food to get started, now most of these randonneuring rides, we have controls along the way, and a lot of times those are gas stations. We have resources so you can get food along the way. But this is pretty much how I start every ride right here. I drink coffee until I get there, and then I have this is just straight up sugar right to your muscles. Nice little slow burning carb, not slow burning, I don't know what you call it. It's still quick carbs, but I like a good sugary muffin, and then a banana because I'm a total health nut, and that's healthy. And then lots of water. I just drink water. A lot of people have special concoctions and everything for riding, but I've just switched to just water. I figure I get all the other vitamins and electrolytes and everything in what I eat along the way. Oh, also on the bike, I'm bringing my Garmin. I'll have the route on here and also record the ride, because if it ain't on Strava, it didn't happen. All right, my get up for the day. I've got some morning gloves here, just kind of break the wind a little bit. And then once it warms up, I really like these nice thick padded leather gloves. Man, they're crusty. Maybe get some new ones of those soon. I love these halo visors. It's got a sweatband on it so it doesn't drip into your eyes. And I always like something covering my glasses just to keep my eyes out of the sun. But these halo visors, I get them on Amazon. Absolutely love them. I hardly ride without them in the summer. I clip this mirror to my glasses. I don't even know what you call these, but readily available, very popular. I can't ride, especially in groups, without a mirror. I gotta know what's going on behind me. And I've got my helmet. I am not clipping in for this ride because I've got my all-arounder, and tomorrow's gonna be an adventure, probably with some hike-a-bike, so I just bring my hiking shoes, and that's what I'm gonna ride with, flat pedals, and don't really need to clip in. I do like to clip in road biking. Some nice wool socks. Okay, so these are from Ornat, which is a brand that is just not flashy. They don't have big logos on their clothing and that kind of thing. Just really sensible, good stuff. They were kind enough to send me these clothes, so technically I guess it's sponsored content. I wanted to try it. I reached out to them and said that if they sent me some stuff to try, I'd give an honest review. This riding jacket here, I can't remember what it's called, but you can go to ornatbike.com. This is a wonderful piece of cycling clothing. Breaks the wind just enough, lets just enough through. It stays put, it fits tight. I love, love, love this coat, and it's super lightweight and packs up tiny. So when it warms up, I can just shove this in that saddlebag and forget about it until I get back. Wool socks, always wear wool socks. I've got this, I can't remember who sent it to me. I got this really cool Randonneurs USA jersey that a viewer sent me. They, I think, retired from randonneuring or something. Looking forward to wearing the colors. Pretty cool. RUSA.org. It's got some Randonneurs love their reflective. So that's gonna be the jersey. I've got a wool long sleeve underlayer, so this will be against my skin. I'll put the jersey over it. Under everything, my brand new, I've only worn them like twice, and I have not worn bibs in the past because I always get chafing on my nipples from the straps, and it doesn't happen with these. These are from Ornat, just their basic bibs with a chamois, and they're absolutely wonderful. Definitely, they compete with all the big brands. They're the cargo style, so I got pockets. I can throw my phone in the pocket, grab quick photos along the way, pockets on both sides. And then just to get started in the morning, I'm wearing these Ornat riding pants, and they are super lightweight, just kind of cut the wind. You almost don't know they're on, but just another layer to kind of keep the brisk chilliness off my legs for the morning hours. And I'm sure I'll shed those, and those will go in that saddlebag as well. And that's about it for clothes. Layers, always layers, because you can just pull over quick, shed a layer. People do it all the time, and that's how it goes. Make it firm and go for a bike ride. All right, half hour to ride start. I'm like 4 blocks away, so I got time here. There's always all this faffing about before a ride. I can never give myself enough time. I also think I'm already overdressed. Yeah, I got rid of the wool base layer and the pants. So we're on to shorts, just in case there's California girls out there. They might appreciate seeing these legs. Okay, kids, I got my last bit of Mighty Mango here. Throw my gloves on. Let's go for a bike ride today. Beautiful sunny day. I'm told the weather does not get much better than this in San Francisco. It's sunny, lowish wind, clear skies, so you can see everything. There's no fog. I'm really looking forward to it. Sun's just coming up. It's about 7:45. So if you're ever looking for a randonneuring ride, you'll look for the high-vis people and a bunch of hatchbacks. Morning.
Morning.
This is so many riders. I gotta shut that Garmin up.
Can I check you in?
Sure. Quant.
How you spell it?
With a Q.
You.
Taking in the sights. I mean, look at that. What a day.
I did have it wrong way around, but it was because I'm on here. No, I mean, it was halfway through the ride. It was kind of.
Did you have? Oh yeah.
Okay, I'm going to send you out in just a few minutes, but there's a few things I want to cover. So what I'm going to ask you guys is to keep your eyes open and to communicate with anybody that you're riding near, calling stuff out. They'll call stuff out for you. Just be aware of things. Tires might get wet, so if that's a deal breaker for you, let us know. When you've gone through San Geronimo Valley, by the way, that's going to be where it's going to be the coldest, but not to worry. Our route designers have put a big heater on Bolinas Ridge, because by the time you get to the top, you'll be nice and warm. The last person through, let us know so that we can turn the heat off. Before we leave, I want to do the single most important thing that you will do as a randonneur ever, and that is raise your right hand or your other right hand and repeat after me. I insert my name here.
Insert my name here.
Promise not to do stupid stuff.
Promise not to do stupid stuff.
This is a legally and morally binding oath, and you are bound by the cosmos to return here, happy and healthy at the end of the ride, to enjoy the great picnic that we're going to have here. Let me just check the time
Attaboy.
and see if it's... and that's it?
And then this person said that he registered for his name's not here.
Hey everybody, this is Peter Curley, and he took me on the greatest tour I've ever had of any city ever in my entire life yesterday. We saw the whole city. We went way up there to Hawk Hill behind me here, and he's a local and invited me along, and that was great. And now we're gonna go ride up in Marin County.
It was a pleasure, Andy, okay?
All right, thank you.
Enjoy yourself.
Oh, and I'm gonna be on his YouTube channel. I'll put a link.
Tuesday.
Yeah, yeah. So this whole freaking mob is gonna go across the Golden Gate Bridge in a second, and it is the tiniest bike path I've ever been on in my entire life. All the way out there. Ride her up. What a morning. how about that right there? Boy, howdy, this is living. What a world, what a life. This first climb doesn't peak until up here. I thought the bridge was it. We gotta go up and around a little bit. And then we descend into Sausalito. Big ring. Yeah. All right. Sausage Ito. I believe that's Angel Island. Go get him. DNF. That's what all the fuss was about. I believe that's Mount Tam in front of us. You can see how close the water comes to the bike path here. And these guys just have those airplane boats. I have an orange Toyo Rambouillet.
Nice. It's also Toyo, I'm pretty sure.
Nice.
Yeah, the last run.
Yeah. Beautiful. Nice. Pretty spring day. I think we're on the second climb. Coming up and out of the Sausalito area. And then we'll descend, go flat for a bit into Fairfax, which is the birthplace of mountain biking, and where it's at the base of Mount Tam. That's where those guys rode repack and kicked off the whole mountain bike thing. It's nice. No cars up here. It's quiet. Not too steep. Nice, relaxing, slow burn. Lets you know you're alive. Settle in for a descent. Beautiful. God. Man, do I love road biking. All right, we're rolling into Fairfax, and I see 4 trillion bicycles up ahead. I'm not sure if it's us or mountain bikers or what. I see some fat tires and wide bars up there. Okay, coming out of Fairfax, I just had a Cliff Bar. Started feeling hungry. I think the first control is in about 10 miles, but we've got 2 climbs, the guy said. So a few calories. I filled a water bottle, stopped at a bike shop. Cute little town. I'm gonna be back here in a couple of days to get a tour and go explore the mountain a little bit and learn a little bit more about the history of mountain biking, because it's actually a big deal. And I'm here. But it is absolutely gorgeous. What a wonderful little bike ride so far. I think I'm about 26, 27 miles in. I got these guys in front of me. I'm gonna hop on a wheel and go up some hills. The climb out of Fairfax begins. A lot of pickup trucks out here. That sucks. Also a lot of Priuses, not so bad. There's a diesel Beamer, I'd take that. God, these old guys, they just kill me up the hills, they just smoke me. Oh, he's getting off, good. Makes me feel better about myself. Oh, it appears to be mechanically related. So it just dawned on me, you know, I was just thinking about all the different bikes and different kinds of riders, and for me, I don't think cycling is an activity. You know, I mean, it's sort of a lifestyle, I suppose, but I think what it is for me is it's a relationship between me and the bicycle.
26er club.
Nice. I didn't even notice.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I noticed.
So that's an old Fuji mountain bike, huh?
Yeah.
I tell you what, though, Garmin says it's almost over. Thank God. Because this is a proper climb. Tandem couple. I think they might be down from Humboldt, Randonneurs. Not sure. Oh man, what a feeling that is. Yet, I always pedal through the crest. You know, get back up to speed, hit that descent, find a high gear, settle into it. Well, wherever I am right now, this reminds me of back home. This is just like the driftless. The foliage is a little different. And this here is a weird looking cow. And that doesn't look like home. Look at that tree next to that rock. That is the coolest thing I've ever seen. Hello, California, huh? So that looks like California. This is driftless Wisconsin. This is driftless Wisconsin. Oh yeah, those are really weird looking cows. Look at that one. Oh. There is literally frost on the ground here. And my knees are literally frozen right now. I really wish I had knee warmers, you know? But earlier I was gonna say I'm really glad I shed a layer, you know? I mean, it's gotta warm up. It's about noon. You know, turning around, kind of be more into the sun. It's cold. That first control's gotta be up here soon. It's gonna be nice to get a cup of coffee or something. Rolling into Lagunitas. This is cold. Morning. Oh man, it's cold.
Yeah, I'm putting the jacket.
See all that frost?
I mean, what's the hell?
It's like slipping and sliding there, like be careful.
Yeah, I
I
didn't.
went from sweating my ass off on the climb to freezing.
Yeah, no, I am freezing. I mean, I traveled halfway around the world to avoid that.
Were you?
From Wisconsin.
Yes, Wisconsin. Go Bucky.
Yeah.
Chances.
Well, yeah. Oh, you're from Milwaukee. All right, I live in Lake Mills. The Galdang Redwood Forest. Dang. Look at those trees. These are probably small ones. San Geronimo Creek. Geronimo. It's still cold as hell. Cold as hail. Yes, please. Car back.
That car had their top down. That was funny.
Yeah,
Jeez, it's cold.
it is cold. Samuel P. Taylor State Park. What a route. Beautiful. Well, we're pretty much descending that whole freezing time. And I was saying I wouldn't mind going up just to warm up a little bit. So here we go. Another 9% for about 300 feet. Been here before. Seems to be how it goes. These climbs also remind me of home. You know, average of 9%. And, you know, 300 feet or so. Everybody's just granny gearing it, doing the best they can, leapfrogging. This appears to be the top, the trailhead. Not sure if we've got a Buena Vista or not. Not one to ever stop complaining. Just wanted to mention, I'm officially hot after that climb. It was very warm up there. And now, here we are, coming into Point Reyes, apparently, up here in a bit. And it's warm again. Well, I got myself a roast beef sandwich and a Coca-Cola. You guys are welcome to join me if you'd like.
Hey, sorry to crash.
Yeah, no, it's all good. The tandem couple.
Hi.
Did I hear you guys are from up north, like from Humboldt?
Oh, no. Well,
No,
he
there's
runs
some-
Humboldt Randonneurs.
Okay.
But we live in Berkeley.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. That's somebody mentioned that.
Yeah,
So,
yeah. You need to come up north and ride some of the rides up there.
yeah, I would like to. I'm here from Wisconsin, so it's
Oh, really?
it's not easy for me to just like pop over and do it. But
Yeah.
HumboldtRando.com. It's always a climb out. Ugh. So we're a bit further inland here, in between some rocky outcroppings, and I'm all alone. There's a few behind me and a few ahead of me, but for the most part, I've lost the group, which seems to happen quite a bit when I go on such solo missions. Randonneuring is something you got to be comfortable riding by yourself. You know, it's self-sufficient. I could have waited around at the control for people to get ready, but I'm going to take it easy. They'll come up on me, and you know, who knows? There's a few way up there. Maybe I'll catch them. That's just kind of how it goes in the rando world. This is probably Lake Tahoe or something. All alone, sun at my back. It's warm up here. Pretty nice. It's good air. No wind. It's very still. I found my green Rambouillet friend again.
Yep.
What was your name again?
Jeremy.
This is Jeremy from Sacramento. Originally from San Francisco. But you know, guys gotta work for a living.
Right.
Then when you're not working, you got to do this.
Right.
Oh look, they're fishing. They gave up on cycling. They were like, that's bullshit, and so they're fishermen. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, look at that truck. Oh my God. So big, that energy. Feel it. Lake Tahoe. So Jeremy here says this is his first brevet ever.
First one. I'm turning 40 in a month, so I decided this would be the year that I try it.
40 years old, over the hill.
Yeah.
Well, good job. It's a good ride. It's a good way to break into it. This is how, I don't know, most of the ones I've ever been on are as far as difficulty. It's just the longer ones are longer. All right, we are here downtown Fairfax, the last stretch. You can see this is a bike town. Me and my new mustached friend here are having some cokes. Okay. Whew, just got to the top of a big climb here. There's a little poke your head out and see a view thing here. I'm gonna check it out. See the city in the distance. There's the bay. Oh man. I mean, that's the shot right there. Stupid cars. Wow. We'll be descending now back into Sausalito, and then another climb up to the bridge and over back into town, where I hope to find everybody, but I'm gonna be like the last guy. Bay waters right here. Tide's down from this morning quite a bit. You know, for a place that has so many cyclists riding around all the time, these cars are just assholes. It's bad. Holy fuck. I guess that's why they pay the big bucks to live here. This is Sausalito. Ride at your own risk. How about that? What a view. Wow, there's property for you. One more climb here. I'll get up and out of here and descend down onto the bridge and back into the town. Go find the beach, see if there's any food left for me. Not quite to the top. A little bit of a break on my legs. I am tired and hungry, officially, per the usual. Ready for this one to be over. You can see the bridge.
Hi, bro.
Thank you. Goddamn right, it's a sick bike. Well, that sick bike, bro, made the trip all worth it. What a day on a bike. I sure know how to pick them. I practically have the bridge to myself right now. That's pretty nice. Look at that city. I'm kind of in love with San Francisco as far as cities go. I'm afraid I'm going to run out of battery, but I could say goodbye right now. Thanks for watching. Send me a super thanks so I can go on more trips like this. Getting close to the end. Made it down. Let's go find them. Am I dead last?
No, not even close.
All right.
What do we got there?
I was hoping I'd be dead last.
What's his last name?
Quant with a Q.
Someone was looking for you.
Yeah, Peter, I think.
Peter and
People like do it on all sorts of bikes.
crap, I can't remember his name now. Somebody else.
Ian, maybe.
Oh, Ian, yes, you're right.
Are you Rob?
I am.
All right, Andy, nice to meet you.
You were already in our membership database.
I was going to come last year,
Okay,
and then I got on the airplane, and it was the only blizzard we had last year, and there's a ground stop in O'Hare.
Oh,
I got off the plane, but my bike didn't, and my bike made it here and back. But yeah, I just wanted to thank you for organizing it
you bet.
and all the hard work.
Enjoy the route.
I did. I loved it. Yeah, it was great. I am, it's perfect distance for my winter legs. My Garmin wasn't working the first 6 miles. I hope that's cool.
No, that's fine because we'll have checked you in on the control sheet at the beginning.
Okay.
And then, we can use whatever stub of your recording that you have, and we'll figure it out.
Okay, good. Yeah.
So
I got pictures too. So
the recordings, think of it much like how you would deal with the brevet card.
Yeah.
There's only specific points that you need to prove where you were.
Yep.
So
I can do that.
yeah, if you've got the recording for Point Reyes and Nicasia, we're good to go.
Nice. Awesome. Well, thank you.
You bet.
Now I'm done.
All right.
You can look at Ian's Tommy here. That shot I got of your bike and Jeff's bike and my bike all in
Candalia?
Yeah, in Candalia. It's a good shot. Well, you have a good one.
You too.
It was great seeing you again. I'll see you next year probably.
Yeah, enjoy the
Thank you. We'll see ya. Did you pass me or did I ditch you?
You took off, and I actually desperately needed to pee, so I had to find a spot to do that. So.
Yeah, I felt bad. I'd lost you, and then I stopped to take photos. I thought you were behind me, but I was like, well, he stopped or else he's dead.
No.
Well, good. Glad I found you. It was great meeting you. Great riding with you.
Yeah.
That was fun. Congratulations.
You too. Welcome to California.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah.